be launching shortly some programs which we expect to have a great benefit to our visitors and our residents alike. In a moment, you'll hear from my good friend Joe Daniels, Executive Director of the National 9/11 Memorial Museum. He will also have an important update on the information on the progress being made on this very, very important institution. It's clear that 2011 is a very historic and important year for New York City. The 10-year anniversary of 9/11 will be a very emotional and reflective time for the city, especially in review of most recent incidents. Above all, there'll be time to pay our respects to the brave men and women who lost their lives in 9/11 and celebrate their impact that their lives have had on our city. Equally as important is that 2011 is not only about looking back and honoring the past, but also about looking forward. A decade later, New York City is brimming with optimism and pride. We stood tall in the face of the events of 9/11. Our resiliency is a testament to the spirit, the strength, and the unity of all New Yorkers. Lower Manhattan in particular has recovered, being rebuilt and grown into one of our most vibrant neighborhoods in the entire city. Nearly 20 hotels with an estimated 5,000 hotel rooms are currently in the area, including the World Center Hotel, the Andaz Wall Street, W New York Downtown, DoubleTree, and the Financial Center, to name just a few. And 3 new hotels will also be opening this year. Beyond hotel development, Lower Manhattan has also seen more new restaurants. A variety of famous luxury brands have also come into the area. These developments are helping turn Lower Manhattan to a unique blend of new and old New York. Visitors are at once steeped in the history of New York City, whether it's Federal Hall, Stone Street, the National Museum of the American Indian, and so much more. To showcase the incredible neighborhood and its many offerings, it is my pleasure to announce our newest marketing campaign, Get More NYC Lower Manhattan. The year-long campaign will debut on June 1st and will highlight the area's hotels, restaurants, attractions, shops, and cultural institutions. To encourage weekend stays, Get More at Lower Manhattan will also offer great values at 12 of our best hotels. Customized Lower Manhattan itineraries will be available on nycgo.com with information on Chinatown, the Lower East Side, historic Little Italy, Governor's Island, Soho, Tribeca, and many, many other wonderful pockets of distinction. These itineraries will help visitors manage and navigate the neighborhood, which is unlike any other in Manhattan, which is really off the grid, as I think many of you know. Information on Lower Manhattan will also be integrated into our mobile site, m.nycgo.com. The mobile site will have information on nearby events, shops, venues, attractions, and numerous offers throughout the area. The use of Google Map technology to help visitors navigate Lower Manhattan, and m.nycgo.com will also provide essential travel information such as current weather, location, and again, much more. The Get More Lower Manhattan campaign will be supported through advertising, outdoor, digital, radio in New York City, the tri-state area, and the Acela Corridor. We will also have media presence internationally in UK, Canada, Brazil, Ireland, Germany, Italy, Spain, France, Brazil, and Australia. This year, the world's eyes will turn to New York City. It is our hope that Get More NYC Lower Manhattan launch will help draw particular attention to the full revival of downtown and really to the city as a whole. Of course, a big part of the revitalization efforts will focus on the 9/11 memorial itself. We fully expect this to be, if not maybe one of the most important attractions in our city. And now I'd like to introduce, if I may, my very good friend, Joe Daniels, to give you some more details. Joe?